We can only realize our vision of attaining an empowered and prosperous upper middle income society by guarding against and desisting from all forms of actions and misdeeds which undermine the national interest. Foremost is corruption and all forms of related unethical and self-conduct, especially in respect of business transactions at whatever level, small, medium to large economic units. Any act of shady dealings and acts of deceit goes towards undermining the ideals of which these gallant national heroes sacrificed. A loud and clear no to corruption by whomsoever corruption aborts our quest for sustainable economic development, peace and stability. Our struggle for independence was founded on the values of unity and love. Lack of respect for each other and petty jealousy are mortal sins, which cannot be forgiven here on earth and in heaven. We should respect one another and continue to be guided by the ethic of Ubuntu, taking cognizance of the fact that every Zimbabwean who was born as we fought for our independence contributed in different yet important capacities towards this one sacred goal.